What is affiliate marketing? How do you define it? And how does it work? I will cover all of this for you in this video. Affiliate marketing is a way for a business to partner with independent marketers who will promote its products or services and get compensated on performance basis. I've intentionally packed a number of key elements into this short but loaded definition. Let me unpack it for you to make it more digestible and easier to understand. So, the first component is the key players, the business that has a product or service, and then an affiliate who has access to the business's target audience and can help the business market its product. Secondly, the performance basis. This is the cornerstone concept of affiliate marketing. The business will compensate the affiliate only when predefined performance happens. Whatever it is that the business desires, be it a sale, a subscription, a lead, or whatever else they are looking to generate through this relationship. Thirdly, I emphasized the element of independence in my definition. I said that affiliates are independent marketers, and it is crucial to understand and appreciate this. Because in fact, affiliates are the ones that choose the programs to promote and to drop. They choose how much time and effort to dedicate to any specific affiliate program and how to prioritize them. While there are ways for businesses to entice affiliates to do something, there's virtually no way to make them do something. They are not your employees. They are truly independent marketers. Fourthly, there's a partnership element. Affiliate marketing programs are based on relationship and secondly, on collaboration. This relationship with independent marketers produces through collaboration the final fruit. And this collaboration happens on various fronts, from content creation to marketing synchronization or whatever else may contribute to the final product. Finally, you have not heard me call affiliate marketing a type of marketing or a marketing channel. I called it a way for a business to partner with independent marketers. And I did it intentionally because it actually embraces all sorts of marketing. A paid search marketer can be an affiliate, and so can an email marketer be. A social media influencer can be an affiliate, and even an offline newspaper or a radio station can be. Now, types of affiliates are a subject of a separate conversation, which we will definitely have, but at this point, it is important to appreciate the universality of affiliate marketing and understand that it does work cross-channel. As long as performance can be tracked and attributed to the referring affiliate, then this is the type of marketing that can be used regardless of the marketing channel. Now back to my definition. Affiliate marketing is a way for a business to partner with independent marketers who will promote its products or services and get compensated on performance basis.